Hello everyone, I am ASHMITHA JAIN from 4th year CSE. My startup company is Eternal Infinity. Product present name is Shades and product proposed name is Blades. Empathizing, mentioning some of the requirements and feeling about the product as said by the customer during the empathizing activity. First one is emergency alert system, health monitoring, customizable designs, eco-friendly materials. Define based on the empathizing stage and the considering the feelings and the requirement of the customers. Many new features are added to the existing product. The existing product name is Shades and futuristic product name is Slades. Some of the additional features that are to be mentioned here are hand sign recognition, camera and photography, prescriptional lenses and solar powered. Prototype. In prototype stage, the real working model has to be manufactured. Due to time constraint and the mentor advised to draw a sketch, the sketch is shown below. I request the viewers of this presentation video to comment your opinion to satisfy the testing stage. Thank you.